Sir, how concerned are you with the ongoing rally in EDSA?
I'm sorry?
How concerned are you with the ongoing rally in EDSA? What do you make out of their motivation behind the rally?
Well, you know, anyone can hold a rally, and so they held a rally. Ako malakas ang loob ko kasi sa buong kasaysayan, ang iglesia, pag nagrally, kahit napakarami, hindi sila nanggugulo. And that for me was the main concern that somebody might get hurt. Ang problema lang namin is that merong impormasyon na siyempre merong mga mag-infiltrate, mag-agitate. Yun ang inaalala namin. Yung pinaka-importante sa amin, walang masaktan. Either tiga-iglesia o kung sino man na mapunta ron na maggulo. So let's just keep everything stable and peaceful. And so far it has been. So I thank everybody involved for keeping it safe for everybody else.
And sir, and your reaction to their allegation that your administration has been having a selective kind of justice daw po?
Well, they have their opinion. I believe they're wrong.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Safe travels.